Hi, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and I am showing you day 48 of 365 sewing makes. That's a lot of sewing makes. 48's a lot of days too. Like we're moving along here. Today I want to show you, as I like to call it, a cute little top. This is Quick Sew 3870. And you've seen this before. Very plain top. I think I made it out of some gray material. Something else. It's got a slit neckline or a boat neck neckline. I think it's my black top with the roses on it. I also made out of this. Show you the back drawings. Make it with slits. Except I made this. This is a Marvellous 1 meter. It's 1 meter of quilting cotton, so it's only 45 inches wide. So yeah, no slits. It's kind of short sleeves. Give you a twirl. This is a real workhorse of a top. This is a great wearing at home top. You can see it's just kind of random flowers on it. I made this not too long ago, but it's been washed a few times. I was wearing it the day I pulled my garden. Kind of glad to see all of that came out of it. And it's because it's made out of cotton, the more you wash it, the more you wear it, the better it fits. It comes with, it has a facing on the inside of the slit, and that worked just dandy. You see it's nice and even. Sometimes I surprise myself. And I put some darts in the back of it and the front of it, just because if you don't, they kind of look like flour sacks. So you can pair this little top with jeans and running shoes and do what you got to do for the day. So this is definitely my kind of top. Kind of thing, the kind of thing you find me wearing a lot of days if you come to the farm here. I got this fabric from Fabricland in a curbside pickup, so I didn't even see it before I got it. I think they did just fine. And today, in my grateful thread, just as fall is kind of winding down here, and we've been bringing our cows home the last couple of weekends and have had just such great support from our neighbors in helping us do that, because that's a really big job, getting all the cows home, and because they're off on different pastures around the countryside, and getting them home is a lot of work, and just have so much gratitude in my heart to the neighbors who have stepped up and helped. And yes, I bet if you have a farm, you know just what I mean, because you know, we couldn't do this alone. We need our family, we need our neighbors. So I'm very grateful for them. So I hope, even though you may be busy also doing fall work, that you are finding some time to sew, because sewing is so much fun.